Welcome to CATS Clinics. In this edition, we are going to look at the Designer program, specifically at the File menu. I'll share my screen. And I'm going to launch the Designer program. The Designer program defaults to opening up a empty new dispatcher panel, which is only 2 by 2 squares of track, which really isn't enough for anything, but it doesn't know where else to start. Excuse me. So from the File menu, we can save this as a project. I hit Command S, and it's going to default to storing it in your user IDs folder on your Windows system. And I'm going to name this Our Project. And I'm going to save it. Now, as I'm working, I can come up to the File menu and click on Save to save it, or I can use the shortcut, Control S, which is going to be easier to use in the long run once you learn all the shortcuts. You can also do a Save As. So if I've created a bunch of track work, maybe done some signals, and I want to create an alternate version, I can open it up as I normally would and then perform a Save As. So right now I have this saved as Our Project. So if I exit and re-enter, it's going to open with an empty project once again. I can go under the File menu, down to Open or Control O, locate our project, which isn't there. So when I go back into Designer, it's going to open up an empty project. I can go under the File menu, down to Open. It's going to default to our username. Now you see, it's not listed here. The reason is I did not give it a .xml extension. But if I say Files and type All Files, right there is Our Project. It's a learning point. You can save it with a .xml and then it will automatically show up. I click on Open. That actually is Our Project, even though it looks like a new document because we haven't done anything further than that. That's it for this CATS Clinic.